I had no idea what the journey would be with Purple Beard, but there seemed to be a synergy between the students and the learners with some of the projects or initiatives that Innovate Law was trying to progress. When the graduates have understood the task of the products that we asked them to analyse, the amount of research that they did and the time they've taken to prepare presentations back, including things like costings and SWOT analysis, and all sorts of various types of methodologies that I wasn't even aware of. So they've really basically brought value insights as to how other companies are possibly analysing products to us. So we've been learning new ways of doing business analysis. Yeah, so I love what Purple Beard are doing and what they stand for. The fact that they are being supported by funding and grants is excellent, and I think we need more organisations supporting adults that are either leaving higher education or changing roles.